Hey, what's up, beginners? Welcome to another session of Google Sheets Beginners course. Today, we will discuss 5 essential functions related to the text that every spreadsheet user should know to make work life easier. So, without wasting any time, let's begin this tutorial. Number 1. Text join function. If I want to convert this column into a text line, where each cell separated by a comma just like this, then text join function will help us. To understand the importance of this function, just look at these two images, where in the above image we have a very long query function, but in the below image same function has been short with the help of text join function. Consider this column again, write equal text join. Now first argument of this function should be the text that you want to show between two cells. Let's consider AND with one space before and after, comma, true if you want to ignore empty cells, otherwise false or vice versa, comma, assign range, this one, and enter. Now you can see each cell has been separated by and form a text line. Number 2. Proper function. This spreadsheet function helps you to rearrange the characters in a cell by keeping first character capital and rest of others are small. Let's take an example of this table where we have messy characters in each cell. If I will start rewriting each of this, it will consume lots of my time. So write proper, select the cell and enter. Drag it down, magical thing happen. In a second, all of my text values rearranged to proper format. Number 3. Len function. Here I have a column and I have some dummy cell numbers and I want to check all cell numbers are correct or not. So we need the character count of each cell. For this, just write the len, select the cell and enter. Now drag it down and where there is number 11 means correct because a cell number always have 11 digits. This process make it very easy rather than I will start counting the characters of number manually. If you have reached to this part of video and still watching, then don't forget to hit the like button and also mention your questions in the comments. Number 4. Left function. Left function used to extract some characters of text value from left side. Just like in this table, I have dummy numbers here with the country codes. I only want to extract country codes because if I will start writing it manually, then it will consume lots of my time. First of all, count how many characters you required from each cell. In my case, I required 3 characters. So equal left, select the cell, comma 3 and enter. Now drag it down and here you have the country codes. Now you can see the significance of the small text function. Number 5. Right function. This function is same as we have discussed previous function, but it will extract value from right side of any cell value. Consider this table again. There are country names with the codes in this column and here I want to extract only the country codes, which is 2 characters from right side. So equal right, then 2 and enter. Now drag it down and you have country codes in a second. That's it for today. We will meet you in the next session. Until then, take good care and keep watching 5-minute session. Fearless.